We're friends now. If you want to play again, come to the shore and blow this. When I hear the conch shell, I'll come from wherever I am. I forgot, I'm Al Bing. And you?
My name's Nezha.
What do you want?
Don't scare me like that. My birthday party's in 10 days, and everyone in the past is gonna be there. I drew you a map so you wouldn't get lost.
Lee manners for now.
I guess. But you're coming, aren't you?
Well,
Oh, come on. I don't care if they don't come, but you gotta be there.
why is that?
Maybe because you're my only friend?
You're my only friend, too. Why spare me?
I told you. You're the only friend I have.